What up? Winbush here. And today I'm excited to show you guys how we can easily swap out any static mesh inside of Unreal Engine 5, even if there's keyframes involved. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, I thought some of the funnest assets are some of the abstract GoDads inside of Grayscale Gorilla Plus, in which I was having a lot of fun just going through and swapping them out. So I'm back in Unreal Engine 5 and I have this simple scene built out. So if I click on play, you can just see I have the controller. It has some GoDad stuff in here as well. But what I thought was cool is, let's say that I don't like the repetitiveness of maybe some of these objects that are floating in there. And if I come back to Grayscale Gorilla Plus under models, maybe let's come under abstract. Let's see what other cool stuff we have in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down till something catches my eye here. So let's say maybe we want to go with something a little bit more square. So this cube right here, I'm just going to download this. And once it's done downloading, you're going to have this FBX file. You're just going to unzip the file there. I'm just going to left click, drag it into Unreal Engine like so. Click import all. And now I have my FBX model in here, in which, let's say I want to swap this one out here. And this is one of the functions I really like about Unreal. I could just select one of these objects here and then come down here into my details panel. Right here where it says static mesh, I can actually just left click and drag. Now we have the static mesh in here. Now if I come through, click play, we just have it swapped out. So you might have to adjust the sizing and stuff like that, but you can see how quickly and easily you can have fun with all these assets, just swapping them out, throwing random materials on there, and just really going to town. So hopefully this quick tip helped you guys out. As I was saying before, even if there's keyframes involved on your static mesh, you can easily drag and drop and just swap them right out. You might have to scale them to adjust, but it's as easy as that. So if this helped you out, definitely leave me a comment down below. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.